Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. I want a video on music NFTs? So make sure to watch the full video. What are music NFTs? Essentially, NFTs are non-fungible tokens and cannot be replaced by anything else. Money, on the other hand, is fungible. Bitcoin is fungible on the blockchain. On the other hand, NFT is unique and not divisible. Only one item can belong to a particular person. Imagine assets that cannot be maintained in the physical world, such as a house, a car, or even a passport. Only one person can claim ownership of this unique item. Similarly, these NFTs represent ownership of intangible digital works, and through blockchain, individuals record this information, making it immortal forever. Music can use NFTs to claim ownership of audio files, images, videos, projects, and even community contributions. Musicians can creatively use NFTs to add value-added aspects to their work, such as unreleased content, sound of his notes, concert or tickets, experiences. How does NFTs work? In principle, anything digital can be an NFT. One thing people get wrong about music NFTs. We have a centuries-long tradition of thinking of the music economy in terms of direct possession of material objects. Sheet music, records, CDs. Even the downloads to your hard drive are, in a sense, yours. You control what is or copies the music. However, in the discussion here it is important to clarify that as music-related NFTs are not music files or images themselves. WAV, JPG, etc. not directly on the blockchain. They often reside on your own website, Bandcamp, or a blockchain-adjacent storage service like IPFS or Arweave. Essentially, therefore, an NFT is a transactional record that references a work or project and says something about how that art is created, shared, controlled, or otherwise contextualized. It says something about the relationship between NFT owners and their creators. This is one of the most misunderstood things about NFTs. You are not buying music. I didn't buy the file. Buy indicators. Are you scratching your head yet? Let's dig deeper. I think you will understand the meaning immediately. Airdrop, magically send files to someone in a virtual space, much like his airdrop feature in Apple's iOS world. Airdrop means sending tokens to someone's cryptocurrency wallet. Many NFT developers drop additional tokens out of the air, other NFTs, social tokens, etc., to thank their customers for their role in the community. Recipients can accept or reject the airdrop. Blockchain, this is an immutable cryptocurrency database. A ledger of digital transactions. The advantage of blockchain is that it is very secure. The ledger has to be stored on multiple computers/nodes around the world, and transactions are verified by consensus. This means that it is difficult for hackers to crack and steal cryptocurrencies stored on the blockchain. Also, remember that NFTs are non-fungible tokens that live on the blockchain. Cryptocurrency, often abbreviated to crypto. It will also be used to purchase NFTs, as this is the currency exchanged on the blockchain. There are many types of cryptocurrencies: BTC, ETH, AVAX, SOL, MATIC, etc., just as there are many types of currencies in the world: dollars, euros, yuan. You may have heard of a cryptocurrency named after a cute puppy. And just like physical currency, each type of cryptocurrency has its own daily fluctuating value. Unlike physical currencies, new types of cryptocurrencies are being created more frequently. In fact, some artists, labels, and music scenes have created their own virtual currencies. More on this later. Drop, to release the NFT. It is used in a similar way to music releases. Reserve price, the cheapest NFT in the creator's collection. This is the minimum amount you need to spend to start collecting from this creator's project. Think of it as a toy. Stickers and pins are much cheaper than t-shirts. So if someone wants to buy an item from you but doesn't have a lot of money, they start there. The same applies to NFTs. Prospects who don't want to invest too much buy at the lowest price to start their collection. Gas fee charged for blockchain transactions. Remember that although cryptocurrency transactions are completely virtual, they require real-world computational work and energy to process. Of course, there are lively and nuanced discussions around these concerns, with many blockchains developing consensus mechanisms to limit energy consumption. Genesis Drop, the first NFT to drop. Marketplace, a digital platform where people buy and sell NFTs, OpenSea, Catalog, Mirror, etc. Mint, to create his NFT on the blockchain and make it available for purchase. Think of it like printing a t-shirt or pressing a CD. One of one, when you create an NFT, you also specify its rarity. A unique NFT is absolutely unique. There is only one. Similarly, 1 in 5 or 1 in 100 are indicators of NFT scarcity. Scarcity may affect demand, but it is not a guarantee. Assuming there is demand, low supply means investors can't buy as much. Prices will rise. Secondary market, if someone doesn't want to keep your girlfriend's NFT, they can resell it. However, one of the coolest features of NFTs is the ability to set a percentage of all future transactions to pay the original creator forever. This means that as his career and reputation as an artist grow, so will the earnings he earns on NFTs trading his hand. This is also a revenue opportunity that did not exist in the world of physical music media. If one of your albums gets dumped in your local record store and sold out of your disc bin, you're barred from both of these deals. Not so with NFTs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.